the oven instead was the first batch of chocolate chip cookies.
All right, I told you guys I would finish it by the end of the show.
He's working on it.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, he went for it. Okay.
All right,
okay.
so now that means we got to talk for a minute while we.
That's the
Yeah.
end of the show.
So here's the thing. I didn't. I always laugh. I kind of scoff. Why is there a holiday for everything? But I think this one's worth it. Right, Brendan?
Oh.
The audience is now just going to hear me chewing.
Yeah.
Exactly.
See, I have grown to love the different variations. Oh, look at that close up. Y'all did him dirty.
You guys did me dirty on that one.
I like a chocolate chip cookie, a nice thin one, crispy around the edges, but with a nut inside, like a walnut or pecan.
A little walnut chocolate chip.
Yeah. And a little sea salt on top.
Nuts. I do like the sea salt. A
Yeah.
little sea salt really brings
Yeah.
out the flavor.
Oh, thank you. Now they didn't include me.
Yeah, you're all right over there. And here's a quick week because we got to go. Dunk them in milk, yay or nay?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
There you
Way
go.
to do it.
There you
More
go.
cookie eating on our streaming.
Join us there on the Fox 61 app.
That'll get them to turn on the end.
Cookie eating and more, including this. We will take you to a meeting.
Watch local